Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, class 7 peoples. Welcome once again to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at the topic time, distance, and speed, and the relationship between time, distance, and speed. Distance is the journey, the length of the speed of the journey in kilometers or in meters. Time, we say, is given in hours or seconds, and the speed in either kilometers per hour or meters per second. We say that speed is defined as the rate at which a certain distance is covered. The rate at which a certain distance is covered per unit time. The rate at which a certain distance is covered per unit time. That is what we call speed. We say that speed is given either in kilometers per hour or in meters per second. Speed is the rate at which a certain distance is covered per unit time. So, when we want to calculate the speed, we just take the distance covered divided by the time taken. For example, a motorist covered 300 kilometers. The motorist covered a distance of 300 kilometers in 6 hours. Covered a distance of 300 kilometers in 6 hours. Calculate is speed. So in this case, we are going to say speed is given by distance over time. The distance here in this case will be 300 over time, which is 6 hours. So this will be 50 kilometers per hour. 50 kilometers per hour. So that is how we calculate speed. Sometimes you can be taught to calculate the speed in meters, in meters per second. A train took 2 seconds. A train took 2 minutes. A train took 2 minutes to cross a bridge. A train took 2 minutes to cross a bridge which was 300 meters long. To cross a bridge which was 300 meters long. At what speed was that train traveling? At what, let's say 600 meters. At what speed was that train traveling in meters per second? So here we're given the distance as 600 meters. We're given the distance as 600 meters. And we are given the time as 2 minutes. We cannot calculate speed in meters per minute, so we have to convert this one to seconds. How many seconds are there in 2 minutes? How many seconds are there in 2 minutes? We multiply by 60. Remember what we said when we are converting minutes into seconds, multiply by 60. So this will be 120 seconds. So that train was traveling at a speed is given by distance over time. Speed is equals to distance over time. So in our case, the distance is 600 meters and the time is 120 minutes. So we simplify by 6, 10 by 6, 2 by 2, 1 by 2, 5. So this is 5 meters per second. So that is how we calculate speed given the distance and time. That is how we calculate speed given distance and time. So sometimes you'll be taught to calculate time. Sometimes you'll be taught to calculate the time. For example, a motorist covered a distance of 800 kilometers traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Somebody covered a distance of 800 kilometers and was traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How long did that journey take? How long? How long means here we are looking for the time. We say that time is given by distance over speed. If speed is equal to distance over time, there's that our magic triangle we use, whereby that is division, this is multiplication. Then here we have distance, speed and time. We have distance, speed and time. This horizontal line means division. This vertical line means multiplication. So, if we are told to calculate the time, time is given by distance over speed. If you are told to calculate the distance, distance equals to speed times time. So that is how that triangle looks like. So time in this case will be distance over speed, and the distance here is 800 kilometers over speed of 20 kilometers per hour. So by 2 1 by 2 40. So this person took 40. The distance, the time was 40 hours. So that is how we calculate time, distance, and speed. Thank you.